Welcome to our explainer video on the VR fire safety training solution. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to assemble and use the hardware components. The fire safety kit consists of several main components, including a pre-assembled VR headset controller attachment, a magnetic actuator, a Bluetooth module positioning clip, and the Bluetooth module sensor itself. Let's take a closer look at how to assemble these components and get started with our VR fire safety training solution. To begin, install the magnetic actuator onto the inner surface of the carrying handle. Make sure that the notch on one side of the plastic enclosure is facing towards the pressure release valve. Remove the protective layer from the adhesive tape on the bottom and position the magnetic actuator adjacent to the valve. Apply light pressure to secure it in place. Next, mount the module positioning clip to assist in positioning the Bluetooth module sensor. Remove all protective layers from the adhesive, attach the clip to the sensor, and position the module under the discharging lever so that the end of the lever and the module are aligned. Snap the module inside the lever and apply light pressure to secure the module positioning clip. Now pull out the Bluetooth module sensor and remove the protective layer from the dual lock reclosable fasteners on top of the module case. Place the tip of the module under the module positioning clip and snap it back into the lever. Apply light pressure to secure the module. Take the nozzle-shaped controller attachment and slide it in under the pressure gauges. Then, mount the left-hand controller inside the attachment until you hear a click sound. And there you have it, a fully assembled fire extinguisher ready for use. Let's proceed with pairing the Bluetooth module to your Quests. Turn on the toggle switch on the Bluetooth module to activate pairing mode and put on your VR headset. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu and go to the devices page. Select Bluetooth and click on the pair button to access the Bluetooth pairing window. Select pair device and wait for the fire extinguisher to appear on the list of available devices. Click on the fire extinguisher and then hit the pair button in the following dialog window. Your VR fire training kit is now connected, and you can start your training.